Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube and immediately look for the Home button. This is where your personalized feed begins. Tap the house icon on mobile or click Home on desktop to view recommendations. You do this because Home aggregates watch history and subscriptions to surface relevant videos. Once done, scroll to sample the mix of shorts, suggested videos, and subscriptions. Make sure to note the time stamps and previews so you can judge relevance quickly and decide what to watch next. Now you interact with content to shape what Home shows you. This is the key action. Tap like or dislike, use the three-dot menu to remove items or save videos for later, and subscribe to channels you enjoy. Doing these things teaches the algorithm your preferences, so future Home recommendations improve. Once you perform several interactions, give it a day for changes to appear. Also, make sure to switch accounts if you want a different profiles feed without mixing interests. Finish by configuring privacy and history so Home stays useful. Go to Settings, then History and Privacy, and pause or clear watch history as needed. This prevents unwanted videos from skewing recommendations. If Home fails to load, update the app, refresh the page, or restart your device to clear temporary glitches. If things still go wrong, remove specific videos from your watch history to retrain recommendations quickly. This is the most direct fix for persistent, irrelevant suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.